Today we'll be making turmeric vegetable rice. So first let's prepare our ingredients. So let's cut our potatoes, our carrots, any shape that you like, our onions, cut our onions. Let's cut our tomatoes. Once your ingredients are ready, fry your onions till golden brown. Then you add your onions, add a pinch of salt, add your spices. So I use turmeric, curry powder. Add your potatoes and carrots, mix them together. Add your dhania, mix. Add your water. I used 2 cups of rice, so I had to add 4 cups of water. Mix together, then add your rice and leave it to cook. Allow the water to evaporate. Then enjoy this delicious turmeric vegetable rice. If you like it, kindly subscribe. Bye.